We are the Wirtgen Group. You know us well and know what we do. With focus, enthusiasm, and passion. The products our brands build have a single goal: to ensure that you can successfully complete the job. Cutting-edge manufacturing processes and strictly defined standards. Our specialized production facilities create unparalleled product quality. And this applies at every one of our worldwide locations. Manufacturing quality at its best. You can rely on us long after purchasing one of our products. For us, customer support is always key. No matter where in the world you are, we are always there when you need us, and sometimes even sooner. We develop products and processes that enable your business to operate both cost-effectively and sustainably. That is extremely important to us. Our customers, our passion. We are the Wirtgen Group, close to our customers.